And you don't have any evidence for Pahalgam? You cook up a story, this mantra, you listen just, I think yesterday, there are jihadi organizations because Pakistan has been doing this, because Pakistan has been doing this, that because Pakistan has been doing this, just because that, where is the evidence for that? That Pakistan has history. Which history? Tell us about this incident. We have, for each and every incident, we can tell you how the Indian hands were involved. Your leaders are on public display. They are saying that we are going to do terrorism inside Pakistan. We are going to destabilize Pakistan. And please understand this, that Pakistan is the last bulwark state standing against this terrorism. This creeping ideology, this perverted ideology that is coming from our West. If this country of 240 million plus people, if this terrorism, this perverted ideology takes roots over there, just feel the consequences of that for the world. Who is fighting against it on daily basis? We, the people of Pakistan, the armed forces, the security forces. The figures tell themselves, 190 operations per day. Since January 24, more than 77,000 counter-terrorism operations have been done by the state of Pakistan. We are fighting it on daily basis. And India is sponsoring and supporting these terrorists for its very myopic and short-term interest. If this bulwark state, which is fighting against this terrorism, not on only behalf of the people of Pakistan, but for the people of the world, if it gets distracted, which is one of the objectives of the India, what consequences it will have for the region and the world. Also keep this thing in mind. Now, on the pretext of action against this Pahalgam incident, their perpetrators, rather than giving credible evidence, what they started an oppression campaign against the Muslims and the Kashmiris in particular. This is what is happening right now in Kashmir. More than 50 houses have been bulldozed and blasted. More than 2,500 innocent Kashmiris have been taken into custody, God knows where. This is happening right now. This is their counter-terrorism operations that is going on.
सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेज जब आए उन्होंने हमें सबको निकाला बाहर। तो एक बंदा यहाँ से चढ़ा, हमारे यहाँ पे जो ये थे मतलब घर का वो स्टोर होता था, वो वहीं पे चढ़ा, उसने कुछ रखा वहाँ पे, बम रखा, कुछ वो जो ब्लास्ट उन्होंने किया वो रखा उसने। मैंने खुद देखा, एक को मैंने फौजी वर्दी पहनकर उसको मैंने देखा था यहाँ पे जाते हुए। तो फिर सब कुछ यहाँ पे बर्बाद हो गया।
They are beating innocent people on streets.
जाए ताकि हम घर सेफली पहुंचे जाए। हम अभी
स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो
चंडीगढ़ में है, हमारे साथ बहुत ज्यादा टॉर्चर किया जा रहा है, हमें बहुत ज्यादा डराया जा रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा हम डरे हुए हैं। यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा ये अभी किया जा रहा है कि तुम लोगों ने किया, वो किया, ये किया, जबकि हमारा तो इसमें कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट है ही नहीं। हमें इस चीज के लिए बहुत ज्यादा टारगेट किया जा रहा है। ये कश्मीर के लोगों की तरह बिल्कुल भी हेल्पफुल नहीं है, हमारी कोई भी मदद नहीं की जा रही है। इट्स अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज हमारी हेल्प की जाए।
प्लीज जूम आउट. See the bigger picture. The Indians want you to zoom in and just ask you and on that this is happening, this is happening. This is what's actually happening behind all this dirt that they are doing right now. This is continuing on daily basis. This oppression, what's happening on the streets of India to the Muslims and the minorities.
हमने तो काम स्टार्ट कर दिया अपना गांव में। देखो भाई हम काट डालेंगे, दो पकड़े गए तो हमारे काट डालेंगे ना भाई।
We will chop whatever Muslim we find.
दो कटुए मारे गए, छत्री और अच्छा दल इसकी जिम्मेदारी लेता है और भारत माता की सौगंध 26 का बदला अगर 2600 से ना लिया तो मैं भारत माता का पुत्र नहीं। जय श्री राम, जय हिंदू राष्ट्र।
Dogs and Muslims not allowed. This is happening in India.
अभी जो पहलगाम में आतंकी हमला हुआ है उसमें हिंदुओं को देख-देख के मारा गया है.
Please understand this hatred, this state-sponsored hatred against the minorities, which is working with the mindset, the hubristic mindset which is behind this military aggression. The problem here is what India is doing, that they are doing two things. They are externalizing their internal problems and they are internalizing their external problems. So oppression of the minorities, extremism and terrorism is an internal problem of India. Rather than addressing that, rather than addressing this oppression, this extremism, this rising Hindutva within India, rather than addressing it, they are, this internal problem, they are externalizing it by putting blames on Pakistan and other countries, that this terror and this extremism is being exported from here. It is not. It is their internal extremism and oppression, day in, day out, 24 hours, that the minorities, that the Muslims, that the Kashmiris, that the Sikhs and others are facing there. You need to address it at home. Please don't externalize it. And Kashmir, ladies and gentlemen, is an external problem. It is an internationally recognized disputed territory between two countries, with the decision to be made by the people of Kashmir. But you are internalizing it by putting more than 700,000 troops over there, by doing oppression over there, by changing its demography, by changing its status. So this is the main issue that is at hand. You try to put their mouths shut.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।